There's so much stuff going on here. Look at these buttons here too. There's so much going on here. Look at that, Audi. You've made like
Sorry, I don't have an answer.
Oh my god, it's responding to me. Audi, what functions do you have?
Can you repeat, please? Sorry, I still did not understand that.
Hilarious.
You can look for possible voice commands in my settings under the help tab.
Oh, there's more to this. We've got... Let's see here.
That's weird. Did you feel the seatbelt tighten up on you? Like it actually pulls the seatbelt on you.
Yeah. And it's got the heads up too.
So the seatbelt tensions itself against you right when it goes into gear. That's a little kind of weird.